open the terminal. So just use if and open one file, if1.sh, first line bin bash. I'm writing like so, a equal to 100, then checking the condition, if $a hyphen eq 100 and then semicolon, then I can write so echo hello values 100 and then ending with fi. Okay, so this is the test block. So you can refer my previous videos on test, and test is used for numeric, string comparison, file existence, directory existence, permission checking. So all those lot of operations we can do with the test. So here I am checking, or basically I am doing a numeric comparison. So value stored in this variable a is equal to 100. So here I assign the value a is 100 and comparing that and printing. So let's save this. Okay, so let me open one more session. So I have to give the execute permission to this file and then execute. Here you can see it's printing hello, value is 100. So that means it do this comparison, basically it do the test operation and return true or false. And here value is 100 and comparing whether this numeric 100 and value stored in this variable are same. Yes, this is same. So this block between then and fi will be get executed. Okay, and you can see the result here. Yes, suppose if I assign this value to 200 and I execute, so nothing is working here because so 200 and 100, so these are not equal, so this block won't get executed. So now we will go with some string comparison. So if so I can use this test also, $str then equal to hello. That means this is a string comparison, so value stored in this variable and this hello I am comparing, then echo So this is something like instead of square bracket I can use. Okay, so this is same as that square bracket that we use. So execute, yeah, value is hello, and instead of this test I can use this one, both are same. Right, so here and all we just learn how the simple if works. So here you can use anything that return true or false. Based on that, so this block will get executed. So now we will go to the if else statement, bin bash, then a equal to 100. So just doing a comparison, if so instead of hard coding the value, so let me enter a number. So I'm basically reading from the keyboard. Okay, and if so I can use, basically this value will be stored in replay variable. So just num1. So I'm reading from the keyboard and that value will be stored into this variable. So num1, then EQ. EQ is a numeric comparison, 100, then echo value is 100. I can use an else statement, echo value is not 100, then fine. So how this statement get executed? So first the read command will read value from the keyboard, okay, and that will be stored into this variable num1, and check if num1 is equal to 100. So this is the test condition. So this do a numeric comparison and check. So if this return true, that means the value we entered is 100, then this block will get executed. Suppose if this return false, then this else part will get executed. Write this file, execute this one, chmod +x if3.sh. I enter some value. So first I'm entering 100. So if I enter 100, so the num1 variable will have that value 100, and it do this comparison and check. So this is condition is satisfying, so this return true, then the value is 100, so this is printing. So if I execute again and if I give 400, it's printing value is not 100. So basically it read value and stored into num1 and doing a comparison here. So if that value equal to 100, so it's a numeric comparison and it's a test operator, so that return false here. So definitely the else part will get executed. So we can do any conditions or anything here, so that return either true or false. So if this is true, so this block will get executed. If it's false, this block will get executed. So now we will go to if else, if elif statement. So similarly, read -p, enter a number, num. So it read the value and store into this variable. So I'm just checking if condition and the test operation $num eq 0, right, and then I can print echo, so value is 0, right. Then I can have one more condition, elif, okay, elif $num less than 0, then echo, so value is negative. So if the value is less than 0, that means negative. So then only the last choice is, so we don't have anything to check. So the number will be always 0 or less than 0, or third option is the greater than 0. So value is positive, right. Then 5. So if, then it should end with, then for else there is no condition checking or there is no then statement, but for elif, so it's similar to if only, so it has got the condition checking and then part. And then save this, then execute this one. So it's asking us to type a number and that store in this variable num1, num. So if I use 0, then so this block is getting executed. So you do this comparison and check the value is 0, then do this and do again. So 100, so positive, then -1, negative. So this is how if elif block works. So thank you for watching this video. So please do subscribe to get more videos. I will be uploading a lot more content soon. Thank you. Bye.